Hi everyone, exciting times! So, we've got a number of cameras here, 2 film cameras and 2 digital cameras. It took some time before I upgraded this D700 and I eventually did get the D850, and this is some incredible camera, a 45 megapixel camera. These are all F mounts, so all those lenses, or the old lenses, can fit the new digital cameras. What's missing? Another box. That's what's missing. This is going to be my first unboxing of a new camera. It's going to be exciting. Alright, how do we dissect this? Okay, slow reveal. Let's have a look and see what's in here. How exciting! Look at this. Get rid of that. Continuing the task. Alright, it's black. This looks like a FTZ adapter. F mount to Z mount adapter. And here it is. The Z6 24-70 kit. Alright, there's our reference point. So this is the 24-70 f2.8 Nikon F mount, and the D850. So that's our reference point. So now we've got the Z6, that's full frame, 24-70 f4. We'll be able to put those side by side and just have a look at from a physical appearance what the difference is. Okay, well, first impressions. It's small. This is quite amazing. I wasn't quite sure what to expect. I'd seen a number of reviews on YouTube, but I've never actually gone into a shop to have a look at one of these things. So it's the first time to touch and feel the Z6. Alright, well I guess we'll be needing the battery, so I guess I'll grab that. How does that differ from the D850? Let's have a quick look. Are they the same? Are they different? So they both look pretty much identical in that sense, just with a slightly different code. The Z6, look, it's very similar to the D850. It's got sealed, it's got that doobie lacky there. So we'll just put that in there and close that up. Will that turn on? And the answer is no. So I'm guessing the battery needs to be charged up. Which means, will one of my other batteries work in this? Alright, so here's the original D850 battery. We'll try using this in here. It fits, it closes, and it turns on, and it's showing full power. Okay, that's a good sign. Let's have a look at the lens and see how that looks. And let's see what we got here. Whoa, there you go. The 24-70 S Z mount lens. Line her up and put her on. And there she be. 1954, so this is almost 2 kilograms, and the Z6 with the kit lens comes in at almost half the weight at 1.16 kilograms. Well, that's a significant difference in weight. As often, things go wrong. I didn't turn this camera on, so I've just turned it on now. Because I remember there's one more thing I haven't looked at, and that's the FTZ adapter. Let's unbox that. There we go, and let's see what's in here. And we've got instructions, plastic, and the actual adapter, which has a cover on both ends. Alright, the FTZ. So that's the Z part, and this is the F mount part. There is no glass, it's just straight through, to allow for the difference in flange length between what the F mount lens needs and what the Z mount lens needs in the position of the lens to the sensor, which goes there. Put the mount on, FTZ mount, and then grab my favorite lens, and let's put this one on, and voila! Well, there's the FTZ adapter, the Z6, and an F mount lens at 105 1.4. And you've got enough grip here to actually hold the whole lot, which is good. Okay, there you go, first unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, like, and we'll see you on the next video when I take a few shots with the Z6 and maybe the D850, the D700, they're all full frame cameras, and we'll see what's the results we get. See you on the next video. Cheers.